reported already, have already done some things that Brian was just talking about. So all this is going to keep moving through the area. And you can expect it to be in the Louisville area. So in Louisville, this is not a tornado warning, but this is a severe thunderstorm warning that could do some wind damage as it moves through. I'm sorry to hear the purple moving now, so that's good news. Go ahead and give us a call. Let us know what you're seeing out there. I've experienced here in the studio. Let us know what if you've seen any damage out there. Any large hail with these. That we have reported a lot, but we are curious if you're seeing any hail reaching the ground with these thunderstorms, and what kind of wind damage is going on with these storms as well. And to move to the east, I think we're going to get a lot more calls here probably in the next few minutes. Moving at about 50 miles an hour, right? Cut that for you. Yeah, there we go.
Power flash. Very strong wind.
Rockton Road. These are at least 60 miles.